Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel from a workshop. Glad you're here today. Alright, so in this video I have a cute little project for y'all. Alright y'all, we got us a bunch of scrap wood here. Most of it is decking. First thing we want to do is make us a box to encompass the plastic container that's going to hold the water and the pump and the lights. Okay y'all, this is the plastic container to hold the water and of course, you know, the pump and the lights. So here's our pump here. Here we have some lights that can be submerged in the water. We have tubing, and then we also have some PVC piping. We got a little elbow here, a different type one. We've got some pipe clamps that's going to help us to hold these onto the wood. And this is where our water is going to come from the pump. All right, so we've got our box. Nothing fancy, we're just gonna screw it together. This allows room for this to move, but also for the wood that's gonna go on the side and form our water feature. All right, y'all, got our box built. And what I have done is I've just put down 2 pieces of wood because we're going to work on the base now. It also will raise up this plastic container because we want it sitting just below this. All right, so while y'all wasn't looking and after I sanded, what I did was mix up some wood glue and sawdust and filled in these holes from the screws and then these gaps that I had along the seam here. We're not quite finished yet. We gotta put some rocks in there and adjust the lights. Ain't she pretty?